jingling, ring ting jingling. Horses, 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 horses. Sleigh bells jingling, ring ting jingling.
This one is both the same size.
Yeah.
I think you got more than I did.
That's your last.
No, it's because you got your plant.
Oh. Yeah. And I couldn't wrap that. All right, guys, this is
You could wrap
your big
the
one.
car.
Go ahead and open it.
No. 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 Yes.
No more using my controller.
I'm down.
If it breaks, it breaks. Do not come to me crying.
It's the last one you get. You ain't getting no more.
Oh my god.
We're gonna mark them so we know whose is whose. They only had the one color.
Baby, are you crying? Buddy, what's the matter? Come here, buddy. Come here.
What? Why are you crying?
Are you just really happy? Do you like it? Yeah. Okay. Aw. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
It's got a place where you can plug in headphones.
It does?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're both
And
right.
Grandpa Al has, you each get $25 from Grandpa down in Texas. He sent it to you, so maybe you guys can use it to pick out a headphone or something. Something cool.
Because you're gonna need some headphones
Yeah.
that work.
Hey, before you break into
Buddy,
those though,
wait, yeah, show me,
Daddy's
show
got
me.
another fun activity for you guys.
There is one more gift.
Daddy's, you're gonna have to work.
Look at the picture, buddy.
Isn't they cute? That's Orion. Orion is named after the constellation.
It was a mighty hunter.
He's gonna have a galaxy collar.
He's
And he's the chunkiest one of all.
I can tell that's you in the back.
He was the chunkiest puppy there.
So we did okay.
Yes.
What kind of breed?
He's a pit bull. He got 3/4